Hello, good morning, everyone. Uh, I just want to show you my strategy, a very simple one. So, what I normally do is a very simple one. I trade market price action, purely price action, and price action market structure is the mother of price action. So, what I trade is price action purely. I don't use any indicators. I use price action. I follow the language of the market. What the market is telling me, that's what I follow. I don't predict, but I just follow what the market tells me. So I want to show you guys how I trade. I want to show you my strategy. It's a very simple one. So what I do when I open the chart, I go to daily time frame to see the overall trend of the market, daily time frame. So you can see from the daily time frame, the market is moving upward. And this is the origin of the trend. So I pull out my trend line, pull out my trend line. Let me see. Pull out my trend line from here. Okay, this is the origin. Pull out my trend line from the daily time frame. At least I've taught you guys how to plot trend line. Trend line help us to know the direction of the market. So this is my origin of the trend on daily time frame. I pull it out, at least it has touched about three trough. This is one trough, second trough, and third trough. And we can see from the daily time frame, the market has broken this structure, retest, and is trying to come down. And again, if you look at it, it's forming what we call double top. This is one, this is another top. One top, double top. That's M pattern. So that's another reversal, you know, pattern. We call it double top, or we can call it W pattern. So on the higher time frame, the daily time frame, I've drawn my trend line. This is the origin of the trend, and it's also called trough. This is first trough, this is second trough, and this is third trough. This is third trough. So this is the third trough, and you can see the market has broken here. We have one, the market touches this trend line, went up, tried to retrace a little bit, went up, came back, touched the trend line, went up, came back, touched it again for the third time, came back, touched it for the fourth time, and broken it, and then it retraced. So anytime you see this movement, the rest assured that the market is going to go down aggressively. So, like I said, we trade price action, purely price action. So, from the higher time frame, the daily time frame, the first thing you need to know is the trend of the market. Go to the higher time frame. So, you go to the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame, and you can see the market has broken here, retest, and is trying to come down. So we have one confluence here is the trend line. Second confluence, we can see a change of structure by forming double top from here. First top, second top. So then we now proceed to 4 hour time frame. Now from the 4 hour time frame, you can see obviously that the market has broken here, retraced back, and is coming down. So from the 4 hour time frame, the market has changed structure. It's forming downtrend. It's forming downtrend. It's forming downtrend, obviously. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. So from 1 hour time frame, you can see the market has aggressively moved down, tried to retrace, but it's still going down. So we can try to draw our trend line from 1 hour time frame here. 1 hour time frame. We draw our trend line from 1 hour time frame. So my strategy, I call it ACC. ACC. It means A means aggressive move, C correctional move, and another C continuation move. Aggressive move, correction move, and continuation move. So Once you determine the trend of the market overall from the daily time frame, you go to 4-hour time frame to check whether what the daily time frame is in synchrony with the 4-hour time frame. And like I told you, from the daily time frame, the market has broken our trend line. It's forming double top and it's trying to change structure. So, and you can obviously see it on 4-hour time frame that the market is actually going down. It's no more interested in going up again. So we go to 1-hour time frame to still compare. Is the market still going down? Yes, it is going down. You can see. So we have an aggressive move already. We have correctional move, and we are expecting aggressive continuation move. So my strategy is simply ACC, aggressive move, correction move, and then continuation move. So we now go to 15 minutes time frame to look for entry. 15 minutes time frame to look for entry. So 15 minutes time frame, we know that the market is moving downward, and the first movement we call it. Let me indicate for you the first aggressive move. We have the correctional move, and then we have the continuation move. So once you've determined your first aggressive move, you wait for the correctional move, right? You wait for the correctional move here. So you just indicate it here. Once you're able to determine your aggressive move, this is the aggressive move and is a downtrend. You wait for correctional move. Once the market touches the 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 point we have marked out here, be ready to enter the market. And you are targeting here. You'll be targeting here. You'll be targeting where the market previously has touched. It's a simple strategy. That's how I trade. I have many strategies anyway, but this is one of the simplest. So you just look for one and stick to it. What you need to succeed in this industry is not all about strategy. Make sure you know about risk management. Make sure your psychology is intact, and you have, you know, a good strategy. That's all. These three things combined together makes you to be successful. So this is the aggressive move. This is the correctional move, and this is the continuation move. So once you have realized your aggressive move, then you wait for the correctional, and then you strategize. You place your sell from here. You target this line, basically. So this is how I trade. It's as simple as that. So if we are going to apply it here, this is aggressive move, this is the correctional move, and this is continuation move. So you target this area after you have noticed. Take note of your aggressive move from here. Aggressive move from here, then you should be able to target this side. So this is your aggressive move, this is a correctional move, and this should be your continuation move. So your entry point will be here because this is the aggressive. So and you are going to target here. You are going to target here, and you wait here, you enter here and target here. You know, basically, you wait here and target here. So this is how I trade. It's as simple as that. Aggressive move, correctional move, and continuation move. Aggressive, correctional, then continuation, you target here. That's all. So thank you. If there's any other question you need to ask me, please, you you can contact me. Thank you and God bless you. Very simple. Determine first the trend of the market. Second, determine the trend of the market from the higher time frame, daily time frame. Check 4-hour time frame to make sure they are in synchrony. Go to 1-hour time frame. Ensure that the current trend is actually downtrend. Then you go to 15 minutes to look for entry. Notice your aggressive move. Then you wait for correction, and then you strategically enter to target the last point where the market has touched from the aggressive move. It's as simple as that. Thank you and God bless you. Have a peaceful and successful trading days ahead. Bye.